Hinay nila sa kainin mga tuwan.
May haranganin mga sungkay.
Ah, okay.
Hey, you are enjoying? Yes, nice. Where you live?
Hanani.
Yeah, who?
Hernani.
With who?
Henning.
Where is her house? Where?
Oh, I don't know how to explain. Henning.
Who is her mother? Who is her?
Ah.
Next to Iglesia and Cristo?
Ah, the big house there?
No, it's not a big house.
No.
No.
Who is your mother's name?
Well, our landlord is Boy Baje.
Bahe, yeah?
Yes, he's our landlord.
That is the your relative?
No, just our tatay.
Tatay.
Well, not real father, but we lived with them as a close family.
Oh, it's nice because I was wondering.
Mm.
It's very nice place here.
Yeah.
Praise, everything,
Yeah.
kind people.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, yeah. We have. I'm here sometime every year. Yeah.
Where you from?
That's my house in the middle.
Yeah.
In that before in Kantulan.
Yeah.
Yes, and my sister, there's a brother living there. Mhm. So we are sponsor about the fiesta.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ah, yeah.
But it's nice. I'll meet people. But you are going in the fort again, that house,
Yeah.
because this continue.
Ah, okay.
Yes, today is final
Yeah, yeah.
for everything and it.
Final.
Just go. You just tell you are Filipino.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Yeah, how long you stay here?
Uh,
Well, we stay until August.
Oi,
Oh, so like.
my daughter is coming 14.
Ah,
Yeah, here.
14 of August.
Oh, nay, July. Nay, June.
okay. So
Is here. Yes, my husband's coming 12. Because this is only fiesta, so hurry.
Okay, sige.
Oo, sige. Punta kayo doon. Kain, marami.
Mamalag kami kanina.
Oy, salamat. Ang pupugi nyo. Ingat ha. Okay, bye-bye. Tara.
Gigingin eh. Ano?
Nagiging Ito na.
Rendong din.
Mo yung gusto kito nga dalagan hindi ni hubo.
Lagi
Tidak daw lang tidak ada puruko. Tidak. Mayara ka kamera? Gipti kita lagi ako ngalorong. This is Laura in a province in Nagaha. Very nice. He's very happy here and that is the beach.
Oh, video.
Tingin muna rito kaya naka-video. Ano mo yung camera ko ayusin mo.
Inayos ko na eh.
Okay.
Tumingin ka muna.
Ako muna.
Oo, kasi inanuhan kita eh.
Okay.
Saan ka pa talaga?
Okay na yung camera, di na puro ko.
Ay, ini tao eh. Sige na. Binta.
How is the weather? Aha. Ayun ang daog. They're playing with the boat. The second. You know? The third. Hindi nakita ko nila ay matapos. Kunin na kayo.
Init oo.
Ada pa. Nagbi-video.
Sige na, kay Pao pa yung nakiusing.
Kita mo, nakakakita pa. Unin na.
Kay Pao Facebook. Ay, nabato. Baka man ikaw nag-picture live.
Unin na, dito na. Tapos na.
Sige na. kaya ang init. Busaw yan na, busaw.
Okay, tapos na.